Introducing the 2022 Audi Q8. With less than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Enjoy a private tour of this exceptional Audi Q8, the ultra-premium SUV with bold lines, luxuriously spacious interior, cutting-edge tech, and impressive all-weather capability. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: panoramic roof, navigation system, keyless entry, fog lamps, power liftgate, heated mirrors, wood grain interior trim, satellite radio, power passenger seat, heated front seat. Indulge yourself in premium performance and exclusive luxury. Get behind the wheel of this stunning Q8. Come in for a test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.